two youngest managers in the Premier League meet with both desperate to follow up their recent successes in the FA Cup and move up the Premier League table. The dance from Broadhead, taking Belmont out of the game. Still Nathan Broadhead. It's a big save that from Brighton. First opportunity for Ipswich is a real tester for the Dutch goalkeeper.
But it all comes through a brilliant ball into Delat that lays it off perfectly.
Here he is, trying to cause some damage for Ipswich now. Shooting from distance and testing the palms of Bruggen.
Good play again.
It's Amari Hutchinson, and Bruggen has to make a smart save.
It's a good save, really, really good save there again.
Here's Ayari, back to O'Reilly, setting it back for Kaoru Mitoma! Brighton strike first at Portman Road. Believer. Rutter, João Pedro turning and producing a superb save from Christian Walton. And it had to be agile in order to stop him.
Yeah, top save.
João Pedro comes through to Georginio Rutter, who tried to squeeze it in at the near post, but there was a significant touch which took it into the side netting. It's Ayari towards Welbeck, and then it comes to Georginio Rutter. It's a lovely bit of wit and invention from Brighton.
Not necessarily the best free kick, but however, it's a brilliant finish. It's a tidy finish. It's a clever finish more than anything. To turn like that, an impact substitution has come on and scored a massive goal for Brighton.